Today we are making smoothies for the boys. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be pink. It's going to be strawberry banana. Come check it out. Hi, my name's Karen and welcome to my smoothie station. We're gonna get started with this smoothie that the boys are going to love. Right, Joshua?
Yep.
I got a special helper today. All right, so let's get started. We have about 2 cups of ice in the blender right now. We are going to add some strawberries. All right, do you wanna get a cup of strawberries? So these are freeze-dried strawberries. Then we're going to add some freeze-dried bananas. So this is what the bananas look like. Get that? You might need to use your hands to put it in there.
Okay, I feel it.
Can you show the camera what it looks like? Oh, there we go. It looks great. Okay, put that in.
Oopsies.
All right, let's get a cup of bananas.
I like bananas.
Yeah, me too. Show the camera. These are nice and fluffy. They're not hard and brown and like dehydrated bananas. All right. So let's actually put in some more strawberries because I like strawberries and we got lots of boys to feed today. Okay, put that in. And now we're going to add some passion fruit yogurt bites. Thank you, Joshua. Okay, so let's add half of this. You want to do that?
Sure.
So half a cup. So these are so nice. They dissolve right in your mouth. Maybe a little bit more. There, you want to show the camera? Yum. Okay, pour that in. And then we are going to add a scoop of vanilla protein powder. Get as much protein as we possibly can.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah, it is. I don't have a favorite type of protein powder, but if you have one, let me know what your favorite is, and I'll see if I can check it out. Okay, so now we are going to add some water. I have 2 cups of water here. Now, because we're using freeze-dried food, we need more water than you would if you were using frozen or fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, I need my lid. Okay, we are going to blend this up.
Can I press it?
Sure you can. Wait, let's get the camera down so we can see.
What do I press?
There is a smoothie button.
Oh.
Nope, got it. All right. Okay, so Joshua has just blended this all up and we are going to pour it up in a glass for you. So, here's a glass.
It looks so delicious.
Yeah, I think it probably turned out really well.
Wait, can I smell it? Oh, it smells so nice.
Does it smell nice?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Ooh, nice and thick. Really thick. Ooh. Maybe we need to add a little bit more water. Oh, there we go. Let's add a little bit more water.
Yeah.
It's pretty thick. I like thick, but this is for the boys. But it tastes delicious. Okay, let's get some more water. So this will be 3 cups of water in total. Just blend it up a little. All right, let's add this. Yum. Add this to what we already have.
Oh,
A little better.
yeah. Wait, can I try some?
You bet. Just 1 sec.
Oh.
1 sec. He's anxious because he knows.
Oh, no.
He knows this is going to taste delicious.
Oops.
Okay, just 1 second, Joshua.
Okay.
Let me lower the camera so we can see you taste test.
So delicious.
Look at that mustache. So awesome. So do you think your brothers are going to like that? Great. All right, well, thank you for joining me today on my smoothie station for the strawberry banana smoothie recipe. It is delicious. I'll test it right now just to prove it. Yum. Yum, yum. All right, so if you want to try this, I will put the ingredients and the amounts in the description. If you have found this video helpful, entertaining, useful in any way, please subscribe, like, and share. Right, Joshua?
Yep.
Yep. And now that it is summer holidays, we might be seeing a little more of my kids in these videos. So, time for some smoothies for the boys, right? Time to call them. All right, well, I hope you guys all have a wonderful summer, are eating well so that we can thrive in all aspects of our lives. Until next time, bye!